Now we are going to talk about how to hold a person-driven plan meeting. Pre-meeting questions for the facilitator. Has the planning process been discussed with the PDP team? The PDP team members are individuals who the student wants to attend. Friends, family, employers, case manager, etc. It's who they want to invite, and anyone can be part of the team. Do PDP team members have information on the PDP process and the time requirements? The facilitator should determine who will facilitate, record, etc. during different parts of the meeting. Many times you might want somebody to do the speaking part and others who might do the writing part. The facilitator should determine, is the meeting location comfortable and does it meet the space requirements needed? I've had many students who wanted at restaurants, and sometimes restaurants are too loud and you can't hear, so please make sure that the meeting is in a quiet environment where everybody can talk and be heard. For instance, you need to make sure you have space where posters can be hung. The facilitator should determine and have preparations been coordinated with the focus person. Have invitations been sent to all the members the person wants there? Have people been invited who are beyond the traditional team and can help the person identify a desirable future? Example, grandparents. They're usually not invited to an IEP, but they might be invited to a PDP. The facilitator should plan for the following. What ground rules need to be set for the circle? Are there any topics, words, or phrases to avoid that might upset the student? The facilitator should plan for the following. Is the student comfortable with the process? Is there a welcoming environment like food, flowers, balloons, candles, etc.? Again, this is all determined by the student. And are there markers, papers, tape, etc.? At the meeting, help the focus person decide where he or she wants people to sit if possible. Does the seating arrangement ensure that everyone is included and no one appears more important? Are there ground rules? And make sure you use them. Ask about timelines, times people need to leave. It's critical. We do not want people leaving in the middle of a PDP. And do breaks need to occur? And if they do, how often? At the end of the meeting, you need to make sure copies are distributed. And who's going to do that? And when will the next meeting occur to make sure the action plan is happening? Here are some common ground rules that happen at a PDP. Number 1, be respectful. Number 2, no jargon. Number 3, no obsessing. Number 4, have fun. 5, it begins and ends with it ends. 6, do unto others. 7, if having fun doesn't work, Texas rule, be nice or get out. Number 8, listen, and I mean really listen. 9, ask for what you want, assistance for help to pursue questions. 10, and contribute when moved.